Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. And today we are continuing our R2 build. We have issue 46 here, and we have our parts. So it looks like we're going to be continuing on with the left leg. So let's crack it open and see what we got. All right, here are the parts that we get with this issue. We have the motor cable, some more leg details, the leg frame itself, these little plastic plugs, and some cable ties. And we're not going to need any of this for this issue. All we're going to do is we're going to take the frame and these little details, and it's got a rounded edge. The rounded edge is going to face towards the top of the leg, and there are little slots in here. I'm just going to slide it in. Maybe if I line it up properly, just like that. Same for the other side. Wow, it's harder than it looks. There it goes. And we are done. And there you have it. Stage 46 is complete. Another super short issue, but more progress on the left leg, so we are coming along. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.